I'm going to Disneyland Paris again. Let's get packed. Disneyland Paris just did so much construction on one of their parks, and they've just opened up, I think a month ago. So I'm going to go see the new park and spend a few days in Disneyland Paris, and I'm so excited. I'm going to be going right after a work trip, so I'm kind of packing everything in the same bag, but this is just going to be what I'm going to be wearing to Disneyland Paris. A couple of things, it is going to be a little bit chilly. The last time we went, it was the fall time, so it was chilly, and now it's going to be spring chilly, so I'm going to be prepped for that just in case. One of the outfits I planned actually isn't really good for the cold, so I'm hoping it's not that cold because I really want to wear it because it is perfectly themed to one of the new areas that opened up, which is World of Frozen. So I'm so excited for that. But I want to talk through my outfits, and then we're going to pack, and I'm going to show you some of the stuff I'm packing. So let's go. So on my first sort of day there, I'm going to be traveling from one place into my hotel for Disneyland Paris. So I thought it would be fun to wear something sort of Disney themed on the plane. So I'm just going to wear this Disneyland t-shirt that I have. It's just green, it's just plain, it's very cozy and comfortable, so I would just wear this with some like comfy pants underneath, and then this is just going to be what we're going to be wearing to transport to our new hotel for Disneyland Paris. So just super cute. I know it is our Disneyland here in California, but it'll be fun to have a little Disneyland, a little like sneak peek of where I'm going to be going. So we're going to pack this. And then it is really a quick turnaround. I'm really only there for like 2.5 days. I do not have a lot of time to be messing around. As I get to my hotel, I'm basically going to change and go to Disney Village, which is their version of downtown Disney. Last time I went to Disneyland Paris, I didn't get to spend much time, if any at all, there. So I do want to make sure that I get to go, try some of the food, shop, really just enjoy my time and see what it's all about there. So I do have a little outfit that I'm going to be wearing for that, which is I'm just going to be wearing some jeans, and then I'm going to be wearing this crew neck. As I mentioned, it's potentially going to be cold, and I wanted to wear like a very Disney themed little outfit, and I haven't gotten to wear this. I haven't worn this sweatshirt in a long time. I thought it was really cute. I love the little Mickey and Friends. I love the color, so I'm going to wear this with some jeans just while we're bopping around at Disney Village. And then I'm gonna have my leopard print bagu with me. I think my little Dale here is just gonna stay on for the duration of the trip, to be honest. But yes, I'm gonna be wearing this bagu as well. Just a casual little outfit. I thought about potentially wearing ears, but I'm gonna be wearing ears the rest of the day / the whole next day, potentially the day after that. So I want to be able to just give my head a break, and so no ears on this day. So I will also be going into the park. So underneath this sweater is going to be a little Disneyland Paris themed outfit, which I'm going to throw on for you right now. But I thought about doing a character for the park, and I had thought about maybe doing something Aladdin, Jasmine themed for this special Aladdin passageway they have there. But it actually ended up, some of the stuff I ordered did not come in time, which is perfectly okay because I have this Disneyland Paris t-shirt that I've actually never worn, and I got it the last time I was there, like tags still on. So I figured, why not, while I'm there, figure out a way to wear this t-shirt. So this is going to be the main piece of our outfit. This outfit is still a work in process, but we're going to sort of see where we can go with it. So I do have my Disneyland Paris ears here that I got also while I was there. So I wanted to wear these again. I don't get to wear them often, and they say Disneyland Paris on them. So I wanted to style sort of a Disneyland Paris-esque outfit. I just have the t-shirt tucked in for now. It's kind of a big t-shirt, so I don't really know what to do with it. And I just put on my flower jeans, but I have like regular blue jeans that I might wear with it instead. And my leopard bagu with Dale, just because he's on the shirt as well. It's like a Mickey and Friends shirt. And then I have this scarf that I got the last time I was there that I thought was cute, and it matches the ears. So I'm trying to figure out how to incorporate it exactly, but for now I've just decided it looks cute sort of hanging around Dale, sort of like brings the outfit together. And then I'll just be wearing sneakers. Nothing special, just because I want it to be comfortable. And then each day I will be adding pins to the bagu that I'm wearing just to represent the outfit a little bit more. So for this day I have this little Donald hat pin and these little Mickey pants. I thought it would be really cute, and because they're both featured on the outfit, I do have a Disneyland Paris pin that matches exactly this, but it's kind of huge and I would be so scared to lose it all day because it is my souvenir from the last time I went. So this is going to be outfit 1, just like casual, cool. We won't be able to spend the full day at Disneyland. It'll be sort of a half day, so that's why this is just a quick like throw it together after I get there and get in the parks situation. So, and then as far as my jewelry with this outfit, I am going to be wearing my rose gold Mickey ring that I'll be throwing on, and then some Mickey themed accessories, like I have a rose gold Mickey necklace as well, and then potentially my Mickey bauble bar bracelet, which is just this. It just has a little Mickey on it. So I'm going to be wearing that. I potentially will wear my new pearl little Mickey earrings that I got recently from Etsy, so we will just see. But that is so far what I've got for this outfit. We're just rolling with it because I actually don't know how much time I'll be able to spend in Disneyland, and I just want to be able to put this on quick and get there because I'm going to be spending a full day at Disney Adventure World, which is their new park that they remodeled and reopened recently. I have 2 PJ bottoms that I'm going to be bringing just because I love theming my PJs based on where we're at and what we're doing. I have my big Walt Disney World t-shirt. It is the perfect sleep shirt, so I have that to wear and get ready in and just be comfortable at the Hotel Inn. And then I have 2 pairs of sleep shorts. I have these little gray ones with Mickey all over it, and then I have these little holiday ones, but they have little Mickey stacks and stuff. They're comfortable. So I will also be packing these 2. And then the next day is the main day, and so I'm going to be spending a full day at the park, like open to close, exploring the new world, riding the new rides, having fun, and I do have the outfit change sort of for that one as well. So we're going to go ahead and throw that outfit on. Okay, so this is the base of the outfit. If you can't tell, I am trying to sort of cosplay Anna from Frozen because, as I said, they've opened a new section, which is World of Frozen, and I got these new Anna ears that I had ordered just for this trip, so I wanted to theme an outfit around it. I have this corset that you can see has these embroidered flowers, which are sort of in Anna's colors. It's themed after the dress that these ears match, so that's what the theme we're going with. And I just have this light green skirt, super flouncy. It's comfortable. I wanted to paint on it, but the fabric just wasn't happening, so I think it gives the idea that it should. But this is the outfit that I was worried about getting cold in. I just ordered this green sweater that I could throw on top of it. It is a little long and sort of takes away from the outfit, so I do have safety pins that I can use to pin it in the front so that it's not as long, but it still covers my arms so I won't get cold. And I was thinking, like, this could be okay. Still gives the illusion of Anna, and I just don't want to get cold. So I'll also have a jacket, but this is going to be the main outfit, and I will be wearing it with sneakers as well and bringing one of my bagus. And then for this one, and then for my pins for this one, I'm going to be using this Anna and Elsa hugging pin. It's so cute. And then this pin I have of Olaf, which says Samantha. I don't even know a Samantha, which is from one of the movies, and they're so cute. I'm just going to be pinning those onto my bagu. Just a little like nod to who I am. And of course, they do have Olaf roaming around the park, so hopefully I get to see him, and I can show him my little pin of him that I have. I think he'll find it funny. But yes, this is going to be the main outfit for that day, but I do have an outfit change. And then I will be doing an outfit change into my Rapunzel tank top. You can see it's the son of Corona, and I have my Rapunzel ears that I have yet to wear, so I'm glad I saved them for this opportunity, but they're so beautiful. And they also have a new Rapunzel ride at this same park, so I figured this would be super cute, get some pictures there. The green skirt doesn't match perfectly, but I feel like green's totally her vibe. It's a little bit, it like sort of matches her, so I think it'll be okay, and it's super cute. And then as far as the pins that I'll have like waiting to change this outfit, I have Rapunzel looking at the lanterns, and then I also have a lantern pin because the ride is like Festival of Lanterns themed, so I think this would be super cute. I could do a little something with it, so this is going to be my outfit change for a few moments at that Disney park. It's not as extravagant as the other one, but I think it'll be really cute, and I'm so happy to finally get to wear my Rapunzel ears. And then this whole day, I do have a lot of fun jewelry planned out. So one, I have these earrings, these heart earrings that have like a little embroidery on it, and it's green, and I figured this would match perfectly with the Anna outfit, and it's flowers, so I figured Rapunzel would like it as well. I also do have a couple of rings here. I don't know if you can see them right there, but a couple of flower rings that I'll probably wear all of them. They both love flowers, and again, my same Mickey necklace. And then, you know, whatever else I feel like wearing, but those are the main things I was thinking. The flower rings. And yeah, that's gonna be it for our main outfits. Okay, sorry about that. I just forgot that I had like a little bit of time that I would be spending in Disney Village on my last day there, so I would like a Disney themed shirt. So I'm just gonna grab this Star Wars shirt that I thrifted. It's comfortable, and it'll probably be what I wear like on the plane ride home, so I want to be comfy, and I love to wear like a comfy shirt on that day. So I'm going to grab this, and this is going to be the shirt that I wear in Disney Village. Sorry for that minor freak out. Plus it'll also be near like Star Wars week. It'll be like the same week as like Star Wars week, so I think it'll make sense. I think it'll be okay. It'll be cute, and yeah. So now that I have everything picked out, we need to pack her up because, you guys, I leave in 10 hours. Now we're gonna pack our makeup bag for Disneyland Paris. I love this Crimshaw bag, and it's perfect because of our little Disney trip. So let me pack. I'm gonna be showing you my essentials. Primer. Perfect for a long day at Disney. For my two eyeshadow palettes, I'm gonna bring, it's a princess thing from ColourPop, and then I also have this gilded palette from Tarte. They both have like staple colors in them that I like to use all the time. So those are gonna be the two palettes I need. Some of my other essentials, my Ilia Limitless Lash Mascara. Love it, love this mascara. I also am gonna bring my blush combo, which is the e.l.f. Monochromatic Mini Stick, and then I use my Rare Beauty blush brush, and then on top of that I use my Wicked Cherry Blossom, the Rem Beauty Wicked Cherry Blossom palette for a just to brighten it up a little bit, and my Rem Beauty blush brush with that. And then I'm also going to be bringing my Rare Beauty lip pencil. The last essential I'm going to be packing is the makeup finishing spray from Skindinavia. I love this stuff. It keeps everything holding all my makeup and stuff all day at Disneyland, so we're going to pack that. I think we're good on the makeup. Now we just have to move over to my other toiletries. We are all packed. Yay! Next time you see me, I'll be heading to Disneyland Paris.